Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the diecast scale model of Maruti Gypsy. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product DLX Gypsy Speedy Wheel Series made by Shinsei. It comes with pull back and go, no remote, no battery, and in a non-toxic material. So these are the details. It comes with an MRP of rupees 179. So let's unbox it right now. Guys, here's the product. The die-cast scale model of Maruti Gypsy MG410. Guys, just look at it. Maruti Suzuki Gypsy. It's written in the real style. This is a licensed product. 1:32 scale model of the first generation Maruti Gypsy. These are another scale models of Gypsy, second generation, made by Cindy Toys. This product comes with two openable front doors and a good interior inside. Right hand side steering, two seats, and these parallel seats. This is officially manufactured by Shinsei under the license of Maruti. This product comes with a pullback action system. Now let's take this die-cast scale model of Maruti Gypsy for a mini test drive. So if you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to at least your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. So till our next video, bye.